Hi guys, Autumn here today to do an unboxing for bookmarks that I got for free from Katie McGarry. I signed up for her newsletter and she offered to send a bookmark and like a ribbon for her new release, Nowhere But Here I think it's called, and so I did it and I just got them today, so I already opened the envelope because I'm really bad at opening envelopes, as you can see, so yeah. Okay, the first thing I see is and the first thing I get is the Pushing the Limit series continues with Abby and Logan's story, Chasing Impossible, and you could get their full-length novel for free. The only way to do this is to pre-order Nowhere But Here for details. How to claim this amazing offer, go to, and then it leaves the link. The two things I got is Respect the Rules, Respect the Club, and this is a bookmark for Nowhere But Here. And then Echo in Nowhere or Back in the hopefully anticipated sequel to Pushing the Limits, and that is Breaking the Rules, available December 8th, and here's that. And then here's a Pushing the Limit series, but so yeah, those are what I got. And oh wait, there's more. And I got a ribbon which says Respect the Rules, Respect the Club, Oz, Nowhere But Here. That's what that looks like. And you belong, Echo, right here with me, Noah, breaking the rules. So I'm really excited. Now I'm gonna start the Pushing the Limit series, because I have the first three. I have Pushing the Limit, Dare to You, and Crash to You. So now I'm gonna start that series, and I have bookmarks and little ribbons. If you've read any of these books by Katie McGarry, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.